A more efficient FMS scheduler. The scheduler is a crucial part of any flexible manufacturing system, FMS. It optimizes the use of resources such as machines, tools, and workers to ensure tasks are coordinated and executed as efficiently as possible. Since production processes vary within an FMS, an optimal scheduler saves time and improves service levels. Existing solutions are usually based on average production times, with rule-based buffers managing variability. Flanders Make has now created a more efficient approach. A scheduling algorithm based on stochastic modeling allows our scheduler to account for variability in the production process. In doing so, it can reduce average order lead time by 5% and increase service levels by 10%. This demo simulates a factory based on a job shop configuration. Once an order list with corresponding due dates has been generated, you can create a production schedule using a graphical user interface. Alternatively, you can adapt a schedule generated by commercial scheduling software. At the same time, our algorithm will solve the same scheduling challenge, allowing you to compare the results.